In this demo, you'll see Agentic Document Extraction from LandingAI, parsing a batch of documents and inserting structured data extracted from those documents into Snowflake. The demo uses invoices as an example, but the pattern is modular and can be adapted to any document type. First, the collection of invoices is sent to the Agentic Document Extraction API, which offers excellent parallelization and high rate limits for enterprise users. Then, the original document is uploaded to Snowflake, the full contents of the document are saved in a Markdown table, the parsed chunks are saved to their own table, and two invoice-specific tables are populated. One to hold the invoice level details, such as the date and total amount, and one to hold the itemized line items. Here's what the starting invoices look like. Lots of different layouts and formats. And here's what the structured tables look like. Nice organized rows and columns containing everything we want and nothing we don't. I'm showing you all four tables and the stage holding the originals. This pipeline is reusable for many document types. Just replace the invoice-specific tables with something else and keep the rest. The starter code we provide includes a wall clock timer. It took 105 seconds to process this batch of 27 invoices, but I wasn't pushing the API very hard. Compare that to the time it would take a person doing data entry to populate the same information, and you'll understand why finance and accounts payable teams are so excited about this solution. The extraction schema is completely within your control. You can define it manually or use our no-code visual playground to preview the schema on representative documents. LandingAI's Agentic Document Extraction accurately parses invoices and extracts the key fields without relying on fragile templates or rules. Our approach uses an agentic workflow to intelligently understand layout, structure, and content, delivering fast and reliable parsing across diverse document formats from different vendors. The full code is available on GitHub, so you can get started quickly using high-volume agentic document extraction with Snowflake insertion.